I decided to challenge multi-million-dollar companies like Valve and Faceit and create a better anti-cheat for CS2 that would actually detect and ban cheaters. No giant teams, no insane budget, just one dream: make CS2 clean from cheating garbage once and for all. Is it even possible? You're gonna find out very soon. Simplix, please go ahead, explain the entire thing.
So basically, at the start, we had to pick out an AI, and the best AI that can code right now on the market is Claude. So we set up the project there and told it like, okay, we want a server-side anti-cheat. The main way it detects stuff is basically if you do something for one singular tick, like you press mouse 1 for one tick, that happens like 1 in like 10,000, legitimately. But if you do that like 10 times in a game, then that is like insanely suspicious. So we're building a profile on every player, and if they flag that too many times, then they're being marked as a cheater.
Alright, what features did we manage to code that are currently detectable in our anti-cheat?
We have auto shoot, like trigger bot basically. We got auto strafe and b-hop, and that's pretty much about it.
Let's see. First of all, we need to see if it can detect the auto strafe. Demonstration, please.
Then just jump around and there we go.
Insta-flagged, insta-flagged, insta-flagged. Perfect. Now let's see the auto bunny hop.
There we go.
Yep, there we go. There goes the flag. And now, trigger bot.
So we just shoot here, and then we just gotta get the threshold of 10. And detect
there we go.
Trigger.
To test our anti-cheat, we hosted a regular 5 vs 5 game with random players from my Discord server. However, each team will have one person secretly cheating. And I have no idea who the cheaters are, so I'm gonna do my detective work and try to spot the cheaters by myself while our anti-cheat will be collecting data. The cheaters were told to hide their software and only use small portions of triggerbot, autostrafe and b-hop. Now let's put our software to the real test. There we go. Official first testing of our anti-cheat that we have been working for how long?
It's like 3 months.
3 months, yeah, 3 months. I have no idea who's cheating or who is not. Okay. Not noticing anything super suspicious. Okay, K5 Pro. This is not so easy. Trying to spectate a bunch of people at the same time, but... Oh, is it K5? Wait, this guy just made a 4K. Did the console say anything? No?
Not gonna tell you, not gonna tell you.
What do you mean? I have to know. No?
Seems fine.
Seems fine for now, yeah? But this guy's on my radar already, okay? For the CTs, I'm already kind of suspecting the K5 guy. For Ts, I couldn't notice anything. Yeah. Oh, Blueface Baby killed him from the... Wait. Oh, Wait. I think Blueface Baby... Wait. I think he just killed 2 people through the smoke.
Yeah, I saw that.
Now, it's either K5 or Blueface Baby. It has to be. Okay, let's see Linux. But he just literally... Okay, Linux. No, never mind. Okay, so on T side, Linux also has 6 kills, but bro, fucking hell, I don't know. I literally genuinely don't know. Okay, so automatically 3rd round. Yes, okay, yes. He's cheating. I pretty much spotted him on the 2nd round already. So now I'm gonna work my way up to the T side, okay? Wait, AMTV just aced. Linux has 6 kills, AMTV has 6 kills. Okay, I'm gonna watch them for now. Wait, what's with his sense? What the f is he doing?
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, he's kind of...
It's pretty sus.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. That's aim too, 100%. But what's he using? Is he like spinning or is he using aim assistance? So I'm checking AMTV for now. Why does it look like he's fucking like half spinning all the time?
Yeah.
No clue.
And he missed the shot.
We'll see. We're at the start of the game. Maybe there's gonna be more detections later on.
I really hope so. We were slowly getting closer to the 2nd half, but the anti-cheat was silent. Of course, there was a chance that the cheaters have not blatantly used their software, but there were a lot of suspicious moments already. I was getting really nervous that our anti-cheat might have missed something. This video is brought to you by the one and only 18+ Club. On the platform, you can collect CS2 skins, stickers, and charms. And as a part of our collaboration, we're hosting a $1,000 giveaway just for my viewers. With top 10 participants guaranteed to win a variety of amazing prizes. Places 10 to 4 will receive a Desert Eagle print stream. 3rd place will receive Specialist Gloves Mogul. 2nd place will receive a StatTrak Desert Eagle Starcade. And the 1st place will receive a Huntsman Knife Doppler. In order to participate, simply register your account, replenish with my special secret word, and collect your tickets to increase your chances. Make sure to check out the pinned comment for more information and register in the giveaway for a chance to win. How many times do we need for the detection for each segment? One more time for each function of the cheat?
So auto-strafe needs to be flagged at least 5 times because it's humanly impossible to trigger that legitimately. Then trigger bot is going to be 10 times because you could theoretically do that, but not 10 times in a game. And B-hop, same thing, 10 detections. And then they'll be flagged as a cheater.
No, okay, everyone else so far that I've watched seemed to be completely legit.
I mean, there's been some stuff happening in the console. It's just a matter of time.
Okay, so we just have to wait, so it's analyzing.
Yeah, it's building a profile.
Simplex's words made me feel a little bit better, but it's still not perfect because as a human being, I was already capable of detecting both of the cheaters.
Does that mean if it was like over multiple games, it could like pretty much figure it out?
Yeah, it's saving it to a file, so it doesn't matter if it's just one game or multiple.
Profiling is of course cool and all, but I've gathered people for only one game, so I needed the results. Okay, wait. Can you please tell me if the anti-cheat detected something on the Blueface baby right now or not? I literally just saw his crosshair snap between 2 targets and it looked like trigger bot. Oh, okay, this has to be detected. This has to be detected. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Why? He has to be flagged now. For the future, we might have to readjust the cheat because he has to be flagged already. I'm not seeing the fucking message that he's getting flagged. Why is he not getting flagged? Let's assume that the anti-cheat works as intended. In order to get flagged, you'd need a specific amount of similar actions performed several times. For example, if a cheater used a bunny hop script once, it will add up to his bunny hop counter. And if he uses trigger bot, that will only add into this counter respectively. You see the issue yourself, it's too slow to catch on, even if a person did many things suspiciously. We should definitely improve that moment later. I'm watching Blueface baby right now.
This guy's fucking clueless.
Ah, yeah, that's vanity probably. Blueface baby is probably vanity. The game went on, the cheaters were known, but the anti-cheat was still silent. I can't emphasize how nervous I was that something might not be working. After spending everything you have for a single project, you can't help but to be a bit on the edge when testing it. You know, it's not a daily task to challenge a multi-million-dollar companies trying to prove that you can do something better than them and hoping that they'd listen. What if the cheaters were that good at pretending? What if the anti-cheat is just bad? Maybe I should have just doubled down on Gamma sponsors. But I should have just trusted the process.
There might be happening something really soon.
Okay.
It only took half a game, and
Yeah,
this
half
is
a
like
game.
very raw.
I felt like a kid on a Christmas night, just like when McDonald's and Apple Pay were still working in my country. Okay.
Oh, he mollies the guy, that's
Oh.
low.
Okay, well, so the thing is, was this the second false flag right now? Second kill was possible by a human to be made, so just to confirm that we don't have any false positives, the second kill should not be detected.
It was. No detection.
Now that I know that the anti-cheat works, I need to make sure that it works correctly. We shouldn't have any false positives when an innocent move gets flagged. I'm taking this very serious, you know. How do you think that we can upgrade this anti-cheat? Is there possible to upgrade this?
Oh yeah. The flicking thing should have been picked up by anti detection, but that seems to be in a rough state right now. I think if we just give it more time to like learn by itself and maybe add something like neural network, then we can easily detect that first round.
Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's the thing with LLMs, is that it would just improve over time.
The thing is, we really don't want to have false positives, so that's why it's taking a bit.
Yeah, I'm so glad that I hired those guys. Oh, okay, oh yeah.
It's like, you only see it when he jumps, though. That's something I noticed with like some of these cheaters. When they have like auto strafe, they struggle to jump up simple jumps.
Do you think about like the movement cheaters, right? Do you think that our anti-cheat would be able to detect and figure out, for example, if Zun is cheating?
If we let that run for 3 games, I think it should be. Hop doesn't always hit perfectly. But I think it would. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, there we go. They both have been flagged. As you can see, we didn't have any false positives and we definitively flagged 2 of the cheaters. Not too bad, right? Well, I think that we can do better and it's time for me to reveal something. Actually, BluefaceBaby228 isn't a random player, it was Vanity. The same guy that helped me to record our AI cheats video and many other interesting projects. I knew that Vanity had the cheats, but I didn't know who he was in the game, so my guess here was as good as yours.
That seems wrong. But wait, there's more.
This wasn't the biggest reveal. Truthfully, he was detected not on 16th round, but right in the very beginning. Hello? Oh! Blueface Baby has been tagged with... Okay. Vanity used a bunny hop script for a split of a second and our system insta-flagged him. And that's what I call a great result. I'm almost certain that the console detected all of their unnatural movements and shots, right?
It missed some, but it's like 90%.
VAC question mark.
VAC question mark. Not VAC. Imagine this, if we hosted a tournament or a dedicated server or maybe even an official matchmaking anti-cheat, we would have had the power to take instant measures. The anti-cheat itself is just a tool to detect, it's up to the host what to do with the information that the anti-cheat provides. But the most important part is that it can actually be used to help Counter-Strike community. My team is planning to develop it further and it will slowly learn cheater patterns by itself. I'm actually so proud of this project. So how far do you think we can bring this one? Like how much advanced can we make it?
Way more advanced. Like the possibilities are almost endless. Like you could pretty much detect anything.
Even wall hack.
Well, wall hack is a different thing. The right thing to do would be something called dormancy. In CSGO back then, if someone was like behind 3 walls and there was no way to see them, the server wouldn't send you anything, so you don't have any ESP. I don't know why they do that here, because you can see everyone at all times through the walls.
It's crazy, yeah.
We could take it further. We could prevent ESP, I think.
Interesting. I'm gonna have to guess that green is Vanity.
No.
No?
Sorry.
Blueface Baby's Vanity?
Yeah, you were right in the beginning.
Yeah, he has to be flagged for this one, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, we have watched the game, figured out who the cheaters are, confirmed that the anti-cheat is working, but what about how fast it actually was? Just as Simplex said, our anti-cheat captured almost everything, but it took its time to make sure. Let's take a look. Here is AMTV's ace.
Wait, AMTV just aced?
Here is this moment. That one also. Oh, okay. You get it, it works really well. Even though it took the anti-cheat more time to accuse Vanity of cheating, besides him bunny hopping from the first rounds, our anti-cheat was sus of him already. Every round, almost every sus moment was captured and recorded. And the coolest part about it, it learns. The more it's used, the better the results will be. Now here is the main question, where will this anti-cheat project lead us? My team and I are willing to continue working and developing it. But how can we make CS2 immediately better with what we have right now? For example, we can instantly implement this project into any popular platforms because our anti-cheat is a server-sided plugin. Let me show you just this one example. I didn't even have to search for anything. I recently was aim practicing on a very famous platform named Cybershock, and I literally joined a random deathmatch server there and instantly spotted a guy playing with blatant aimbot. Our anti-cheat would detect this in a matter of seconds.
It's now illegal.
And those are not just meaningless words. Guys, we can actually make CS2 a way better experience because our anti-cheat is capable of instantly flagging at least the blatant cheaters. CS2 is so fucking filled with cheating scum that absolutely no one cares anymore. People blatantly cheat everywhere, matchmaking, Premiere, Faceit, and even on Deathmatch. And they are not getting banned. And don't you dare to even say shit like, oh, you can't cheat on Faceit. Me and other content creators made multiple videos exposing people literally rage cheating on Faceit for dozens of games without getting banned. Like, I'm even down to challenge Faceit. It's so easy to cheat there. I can make a new account and play with blatant cheats there, only for an experiment of course, and I will not get banned. Let me know if you wanna see a video like this, by the way. But of course that's not the point. I'm trying to tell you that if any of the big names, Valve, Faceit, Cybershock or any other platforms would wanna work with me on getting rid of cheaters, just let me know. Obviously that's not fucking happening. None of them give less of a fuck But just think about this for a second. We made this project just in 3 months. Yes, it costed thousands of dollars, but we have a limited team and a limited budget. If any of the big companies would actually be interested in making a really high quality anti-cheat, I guarantee you that we would already have it. It's not even that difficult to make. So perhaps there is something that we just don't know. On that note, I appreciate you watching this video. God bless you. I'm out.